Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be speaking about eddy current testing technique, which is one of the several non-destructive testing methods that uses the principle of electromagnetic induction for the detection of flaws. So in this technique, a special coil energized with alternating current is placed in proximity with the test material that induces a changing magnetic field which later interacts with the test material and produces eddy currents in the vicinity. So moving on to the calibration and the standards, as for any other non-destructive testing technique, the materials used for eddy current testing technique also have to be calibrated according to certain reference standards. So in general, when we talk about eddy current testing, it can be classified into two based on what type of materials it is detecting. So it can be used for two purposes. It can either be used for the detection of flaws or it can be used for the detection of corrosion on surfaces. So when we talk about the detection of flaws, the calibration block in there is going to be an artificial defect. That is, the block itself is going to simulate defects. Whereas when it comes to the detection of corrosion, here the calibration block is going to have variable thicknesses. Moving on to the advantages of eddy current testing. So a few of its advantages include detection of both surface and subsurface discontinuities as small as 0.5 millimeters. And the response, that is, the time taken to respond in this testing method is going to be far quicker than the other non-destructive testing methods. The equipments used in here are light and hence easily portable. And it can also be automated in order to detect defects in materials such as welded joints, gas turbines, etc. So moving on to the limitations or the disadvantages. The first and the foremost is that eddy current testing method is applicable only to conductive materials. So the second one is it is going to be very susceptible to the change in magnetic field. And a few of its other applications include detection of flaws in the aerospace, automotive, mechanical industries, and it is mainly used to differentiate between ferrous and non-ferrous materials. This is all about my presentation, and thank you.